Abavuganya ku kifo ky'omukulembeze w'eggwanga bayingidde sabbiiti ey'okutaano nga bawenja akalulu. Akwatide NRM bendera era omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asiibye atalaga disitulikiti y'e Moroto ne Kotido mu bendobendo lya Karamoja. Ekitundu kino kirudde nga kirimu entalo wakati w'abakalacuna kwosa ne gavumenti ng'egezaako okubaggyako emmundu. Bangi ku bano oluvannyuma bakkiriza okuwaayo emmundu. Museveni ategeezezza nga bwe yasanga okuwakanyizibwa eri abo abaali bataagala bantu bano kubaggyako muntu.
People are saying no, we cannot remove the guns in Karamoja because there are guns in Turkana, there are guns in Topotha, there are guns in Ethiopia, there are guns in Somalia, there are guns in Pokot. We must stay with the guns so that we have balance of terror. They kill us and we kill them.
Bano bamulopera n'amagye bwe gaali gakuma omuliro mu lutalo mu kitundu kino.
The Kalachona told me we want to surrender, but the army does not want us to surrender because they want the raiding to continue. Army elements there. If you are not careful, they can even kill you. Can you imagine? You can make how Uganda can. People in the army did not want the criminality to end because they wanted to go on stealing cows, but also making money that their operations when they are just stealing fuel and so on.
Ategeezezza ng'ekisanja ekijja bw'agenda okulaba ng'atumbula ebyobulamu.
Upgrade Kacheri Health Center 3, Health Center 4, upgrade Rokiding Health Center 2 to Health Center 3 in Kacheri County.
Era ono asuubizza okufuula Karamoja ettabiro ly'amakolero.
We're going to have a cement factory. We already have that one there near Nadunget. Then there's another one down there in Katikekire, and there are others coming up. And these are they are not being built by the government. They are being built by the private sector.
Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza era nga yaliko minisita wa Karamoja Kataha Museveni ategeezezza ng'ekisanja ekijja bw'agenda okulaba ng'atumbula embeera z'abantu mu kitundu kya Karamoja.
We are looking forward to the next Kisanja of NRM to ensure that all the families of Karamoja will transform their homes and their residences will not be grass-thatched anymore.
Abakulembeze b'eno basabye Pulezidenti Museveni akkirize disitulikiti y'e Kotido ekutulwemu okusobola okutuusa obuweereza ku bantu.
We unanimously believe that creating this new district will bring services closer to the people, create employment and business opportunities, improve governance.
We're grateful that we have a skilling hub. However, having one skilling hub down in Napak is not enough for us. It's all the way in Napak, and people from North Karamoja, that's too far for us. So our youth here in Karamoja, for example in Kotido, Karenga, Kabong, they're not able to access easily. And
Museveni olunaku lw'enkya wakubeera mu disitulikiti ya Amudat.